I lost my parents and my only brother, and for them I am making this video, so please just give me 1 minute from your time to introduce myself. I am Mahmoud from Palestine. In this war I lost everything. Our home suddenly destroyed, and that day I lost my sons, my wife, my parents, my only brother. I survived with my two daughters, Sama and Haya. They took us out of Rabil after too many hours with a lot of injuries and broken bones. For my daughters, you are listening to me. For my daughters, I am a father trying to do my best, and I will do my best. I am raising money to give them a new chance for a new life. I am raising money because I believe in you. I believe that everyone deserves to have another chance. So my people, my heroes, share our videos, talk about us, and if you can do something, don't hesitate. Go to my profile, there is a link in my bio. Click on this link and make